start again from new.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And how about yourself, sir? How are you?
Okay, brother. I am also very fine, and I think that by God bless, I am very happy and I am very well.
Also, in my
Okay.
side, my family and me, everything is okay by God grace. I think that your also side, everything is okay by God grace.
Okay. Okay, brother. I think that today we both met first time, and I think that also you are also YouTuber, and I am also YouTuber, and I think that let's start our introduction each other. I
Yes,
think that
sir.
please introduce yourself.
Okay, yeah. First, this chance give me to me. Okay. So yeah, this is for me a wonderful opportunity to introduce in front of you. So my name is Chamkumar. I'm from Jharkhand State. My district is Godda. There are 4 members in my family. I love traveling and connecting with new people. My qualification is 12th standard. Yeah, this is the short intro about myself. Thank you for asking. So, sir, it's now your turn to introduce yourself. I want to know about yourself because we are connecting first time. I'm so eager to know about yourself. So, please go ahead,
Yeah,
please, sir.
yeah. Thank you, brother. You gave a good introduction, and my name is for. I thank you for this, and I give my introduction. My name is Bariya Tudu from district Jharkhand, and if I tell about my family member, I we are four member, four members in my family, and I have two kids, and if I have done graduation, and if I tell you, I am teacher of primary school, and if I talk about my hobbies are reading book and connecting the conversation and reading book and this kind of English content. I watch YouTube podcast and subtitles and traveling beautiful place if I get the time. Yes, I like traveling very much. Yes, it is my brief introduction.
Wow,
Uh,
sir, fantastic. Your introduction is splendid, marvelous, fabulous. So I'm so fascinated to know about your learning journey. So tell me about your English learning journey. In this age, you are learning, you are speaking very well. So tell me about that secret. What was the secret behind before that means you are learning? What kinds of thing? I want to know this thing.
right. How do you like my age? How I am? I how I am old?
I think that maybe 48, 49. No, I think 50 above.
Yes, you're right. Perhaps I uh, told the video. That perhaps you have heard.
No, I didn't
Ye-
listen. I watched video, didn't listen about your age, but I did guess. So that's why I knew that. Means you may
yes,
be,
you are.
yeah, 50
You are
plus.
right. You are right. And my English journey, I am speaking. I start my English speaking last 5 months, and uh, I think what I'm saying, why I am speaking English and why I want to learn the English language. That is the reason is uh, uh, before when I was a child, at that time I did not learn English language, so that I learned the English language very late. But it is right, no matter. And this time, I am teacher of primary school, and teaching and learning, it is my daily activity. So that I think that let's I learn the English language also, because I am the field of teaching learning. And I have two kids, and my daughter is studying in Hindi medium school. She is in 7th standard, and I think that when I was a child at that time, I was studying in Hindi medium school. I could not learn that time. So that I think that also my daughter uh, uh, will be like me. They are studying. Yeah, she is studying in Hindi medium school, and there is no environment for English learning. So I plan that let's I learn the English language, and I will teach my daughter and my kids at my home. And that time I met for English learning at my home. Yes, that is my uh, reason that I am learning English language.
Wow, sir, fantastic. You are learning English as well as teaching this language to your children. So I mean that you want to create an environment in your at home. So I think it will be better. So I think you are doing great. And this age also you are learning. I think few people are learning in this. Mainly, I think the main. I think few people in this age. I have talked one person. He belongs to. He lives in Mumbai, and I forgetted that name. But also in this age, he's learning. I think ever you talked with him. That person lives in Mumbai, and his shop, wholesaler shop, and a
Yeah.
cloth shop.
Yeah.
Have you? Yeah, yeah. In that, I think that age in above 50 age, he's also learning English.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, yes. Tell me, brother, when you have been learning and your English journey, I want to know about
Yeah,
you.
yeah. I started learning English 3 months before. I connected Skype, but my journey was so old. You can say when I was class 8, no, when I was class 11, then time I thought should I learn English. So then I will take you in 15 years before. I mean that when I was class 11 in 2008, then time I thought that English is much necessary because that time I was studying my subject were in science, math, physics, chemistry, English, computer. So at that time I was facing many problem for studying my syllabus. So that time I thought I should learn English. Anyhow, just I passed out 12. Then I thought I should learn English. Then I joined in Dumka one institute, spoken English. In first time in 2010, I joined one institute in Dumka. I think that then I complete there 3 months. Then I left that institute because that institute was I think that closed. Then again I joined another institute in Dumka. Living, I joined 4 institute spoken in Dumka for learning purpose English.
Okay. In which institute did you have joined in Dumka?
Yeah, yeah, in Dumka, that institute was present in Shiv Pahar. So then again, I
Okay.
joined one. Sir name is Manoj Gupta. Competitive exam, competitive level preparation was practicing there, and that so also I joined for learning purpose English. Also in Dumka, Dudhani side one institute, I joined. Uh, Also, एक Anush sir means for teacher I joined in Dumka, spoken related. Then
Yeah,
after
yeah.
new something, then I thought that I should, if I want to improve my English, then I should go in another city. Like I went to Patna. Currently, that time comes Patna. I lived 1 year. I joined there again 2 institute in Patna in 2 year, 1 year. I mean that you can say that 5, 6 institute I joined in my before time for learning English purpose. 10 years before,
Yeah.
all means. But at that time, my English was basic thing is good. Communication skill was not good. Only I just time I knew that how are you? I am fine. What about yourself? What is your general conversation means only related to small things I had knowledge that time. But my communication skill was not good. So village coming, I was not getting environment. Then I suddenly watched some video in conversation related to Skype videos. So Jadu Kisko videos, so many videos so in the Skype through. Then I thought I should install this app. Then 3 months before, in August last, I joined Skype. Then started connecting with the people. In 3 months, I have connected more than 200 people. Then connecting many people. My communication skill, you can say, developed. I am this time. I feel that I am in basic level, but I developed my communication skill. My confidence level I developed. I can speak with any person in this time. So 3 months of
Yes,
connecting people. Every day I try to connect more than 8 to 10 people. So in this day, every day I'm trying to connect more than 8 people. So that through, you can see there's some improvement.
yeah. You do good job because you connected the people much more about 200 people. And
Yeah.
yes, till now I have connected the people nearly 30. Yes,
Oh,
very less.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, brother, you speak very fluently English. Okay, better than me.
I don't consider
Yes.
so, but I'm doing my, I have to do many things in English, what I have to remember, new sentence, I have to sentence structure, many things I want to develop in myself. So I think new year, everything I will develop, I will give more time to learn English.
Yeah.
If I can
Okay.
in 3 months develop my confidence level, I think I will give in 3 months, then all kinds of problem I will be solved. Like when suddenly not sentence come, word not comes, how to speak. But I think if I give 3 months, everything will be okay. So I'm giving much more time to learn English. So what are you doing for learning English? It means that only you speak with people. You also read, write, speak. What kinds of practice do you do?
Yes, I all thing do. I speak to another. Yes, I speak to another person, and also I read book, and I watch YouTube channel and YouTube video, conversation video, and so I follow that how I will speak English very well. Yes, I practice day by day, but sometimes I can't practice because sometimes I happen busy because I am teacher, so that I
Yes,
feel
yes.
very difficult to practice every day. Yes,
So
however, I practice almost every day, and how my uh, English speaking will be fluently clear, and I
yes,
can talk with confidently with another person.
yeah.
Yes, and brother, tell me uh, which when you watch my video that
Yeah, I watched your
who I
video in
am.
YouTube channel. Yeah. I think maybe Jadoo Kiskus in Jadoo's channel, Jadoo Kiskus channel, I have watched your video, and many channel I have watched your video. So everyone
Okay.
appreciating your English. In this age you are speaking, every person are appreciating your English journey. Also, I was
Yes,
thinking
yes,
if I get
yes,
chance
yes. I am.
to talk to you today, you connected me. Also, I was thinking that one day I will be speak that person. By God's grace, I connected to you. So today I am so happy.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yes, yes. I was also thinking like this that I wanted to meet with you, but uh, before today, I could not meet with you, so that today uh, how we both will connect each other today. Yes, it is a
Yeah.
wonderful matter,
So,
and
so, so, sir, tell me about your YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel name? But yeah, today through your name is YouTube channel. Yeah, another thing, your YouTube channel name.
yes, English with barrier.
English is very. I think easily I can find your name because your YouTube channel name like means it's so easy your YouTube channel name. So I can find
Yes,
your
yeah,
channel easily.
yeah. Okay,
So
brother.
okay, when you started your channel, means when you created, how long have you been running your YouTube channel? I want to know.
About when I start to speaking English with the someone else, perhaps my YouTube channel happened 5 months.
Oh yes,
Yes, it is a new YouTube channel, not old.
yeah,
Yes, and this time I have connected the people only with 30-35 people, not more. And
yes,
I think that every day I can't connect with the people because I am busy, so that it is difficult for me. But I think that I should connect to the people and talk with the people English language for my fluently English speaking. Okay, I think
oh
that
yes,
okay. I have question that uh, you are now a teacher. You speak very well English and you teach to the children English language. How do you
yes.
like? How do you like?
Yeah, I feel myself very good. You know, whenever you give someone good knowledge, anything, then you feel happy. So nowadays, I'm enjoying my life.
Okay.
So I think very soon I am going to start in journey in future in 2025 in Dumka. I want to open institute
Yeah. It is right. It is
because
your
you know
plan.
in village I find few students. You know, in village is I think few students are here available. If I go in future Dumka, I will get more students because that is the students hub. There are many
Yeah.
students there. Yeah, that place.
Okay. You are sitting there. I think that is this town or a village?
Yeah, this is village.
Okay. What is the village name of you?
Yeah, their name is Mahagama. Have you heard Mahagama Patharma in Godda? I think didn't hear.
Yes. Yes. I heard, and I 2-3 times I have gone there.
You know, in my
Uh,
blog in Borio, this place, you know.
yeah. Do you know this boy's name is I forgot what is the okay, I forgot he is from the Buarijor blog, and
Okay.
I forgot his name. He also speak very well English, and he is belong to Santhal community.
Yeah. Also, my blog is Barijor. My blog name is Barijor.
Yeah. And there, my village is Masalia, because you have come to much more time, Dumka district. Masalia,
Yeah,
you have heard?
I have spent in Dumka 7 years. I have spent in Dumka 7 years.
You have heard Masalia?
Yeah, yes,
Masalia?
yes.
Yeah. I am from Masalia block.
Wow.
Okay.
I think that
Okay.
if you want,
I think that apart from you do another.
no. Also, I am only focusing on to teach. If I am become a good teacher, then I can set in another time, another place in future. That's why I'm thinking I have to learn English. That's why in this I am giving much more time for learning English. I don't
Okay.
want
Very
to
well.
divert
Very well.
my mind. If you sometimes do was mind will be diverted. So I want to first knowledge acquire, then I want to fix in only one place. So my profession, you can say that teaching.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
brother. How
yes,
did you think that you should learn English in your life?
yeah. I feel very happy. You know, it was my childhood dream. When 20 years before, I was thinking I will learn English. So you know, so long time after my dream came true. So
Yes.
that's why I'm so happy. You know, also I
How
am a student of Hindi medium.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
faced a lot. Before time, I joined 6 spoken institute also. You know, you can know about my curiosity like about the English language. So I was not thinking about money. Only I was thinking to I have to learn English. So
Nice,
long
nice,
time
nice, nice,
after
nice.
this day I am seeing this day. Okay, brother. Okay, sir. It was nice conversation with you. Next time we will talk in any topic. It will be better if again we connect.
Yes, yes, sure, sure, sure. Yes.
Yeah, because
Thank you,
video
brother.
are getting long. Video is getting long. People, I think maybe 15 to 20 minutes is enough. So next time
Yeah,
we will
yeah,
discuss a good topic. If you have
yeah,
free
yeah.
time, then you have to send message. Then I will discuss on that topic. It will be better. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I am very happy to meet with you today
Yeah.
because you are good speaker. So that I heard and I listened you.
No, you are
Yeah,
also speaker. In this age, you are
yeah.
learning. It means you speak very well.
Yes, yes, I am trying to speak good.
Okay, yeah, it was lovely conversation with you.
Yes.
If
Okay.
God wants to, I will connect once
Th-
again very soon.
Thank you. Thank
Welcome,
you,
sir.
brother. Thank
Okay?
you. Th-
Yes, you are welcome.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Welcome.